Hi guys, today let's go for wiring the radar level transmitter with 4 to 20 mA output. First, connecting the power. Positive is 24V positive. Negative is 24V negative. Here are the two connecting clamps. Directly connecting with 24V positive and negative. Now turning the power on for supplying power. It works. Wiring now. Plus is positive. Minus is output signal. Red wire is power positive. Power negative wire is connecting multimeter public terminal. The multimeter output wire, milliampere port, is connecting radar level transmitter second port negative terminal. Now we just turn the power on. You can see the current data on the multimeter display now. Just loading for radar display. OK, finish the wiring.